Most people go out this door, and you get a lot of snipers on top of that building just there, waiting to fire at us. Also, a lot of people go out the left side as well. It's a good shortcut through the map if you jump to that bit over there, but only a few characters have the ability to do that. Not many people exit out of the right side here, but it is easy for characters to hide around these corners, so you have to be careful when exiting. Look out the window, see if I can spot anyone going around.
Hello there.
Hey.
5, 4.
Yeah, I think it's going to be clear.
2, 1. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
I can't grant anyone Overwatch membership, I'm afraid. It's pure luck whether you get on the beta or not. Nope.
Get over here and heal up. Heal up here.
Right, we can flank round here quickly. Ah, took a nasty bit of damage there. Missed with my rocket, never mind, she's dead. Need some healing. Cheers, Lucio. Okay, Hanzo's dead. Clara's dead. Go, go, go.
Heal up here.
Oh, this is my jam.
We've definitely got this now.
Objective A captured. Commence attack on objective B.
Okay. Now, the way I tend to go through this map is you can get on these elevated platforms here. They take you through that doorway there. Now, as long as the... Never mind, they've spotted me. Genji is very mobile. I know. So... Oh, they've got a bastion going around on those platforms. That's interesting.
Oh, let's break it. Damn!
Our team seems very adept.
Hey, I found your teleporter. Enemy teleporter. No one can hide from my sight.
And run away. Damn it, he got me. I could see their character coming out of the spawn through the wall, so I think I would have been dead no matter which way I'd gone. Still. Probably should have not gone the Bastion route. And get back on these platforms. Still a very viable route through. The rest of my team are dead, so I should be careful. I'm probably going to hold off a bit. Wait for them to catch up. Okay, Simit. Oh, that's a sniper. Okay, so that's now covered, but our team's gone through, so I'm going to just quickly get through here and flank. Bastion's easy.
Oh, let's break it. Damn!
Okay, damn it, run away. This is bad. This is visor time. Ah, damn it. I reckon I could have got them if I'd launched that earlier. Right.
No rest for the weary.
Soldier can run nice and quick, so back in the action. Well, catch up with my teammates. I don't want to run in on my own, that would be suicide. They're certainly covering the left flank. Oh, there's Bastion up there. It's going to be a tricky prospect. I still think going the same route in as before makes the most sense. It's got good cover. Oh, okay, that sniper's covering it. Sniper's down. Let's distract Bastion. Wow. Okay. Previously, Bastion and a straight-up gunfight with Soldier would never be so much of an issue, but could have dodged better, probably.
This old dog's learned a few tricks. Our enemies have a teleporter!
Our team's still very much in the centre, so I'm not worried that this doorway is going to be covered so competently. Get myself healed up. Ah, dear.
Heroes never die.
That May, the ice lady, is so
Mission ain't over yet.
damaging for Soldier. She's very difficult to avoid. Bastion's back up on his ledge. I'm going to go round again. Let's see if I can catch that one. Yep. Take it a bit slower this time. Where's my team? Far back. I'm in danger here. Right, running away is the best idea. Let's get hidden around the corner, wait for my health grenade to come back. Lucia is kindly healing me. Ah, wasted a helix rocket there.
Pump up the volume.
Ice wall coming up.
I see enemy teleporter. Enemy teleporter down.
Let's get rid of all those.
I've got you in my sights. I found the enemy teleporter. Enemy down.
Just get healed up. Staying alive and giving them jip is the most important thing for me right now. They've dispatched all of our guys, right? Retreat.
Genji is with you.
Get rid of those turrets. Bastion's set up. Want to stay away from him. Run away.
30 seconds.
Damn it.
We can't let them win. Come on, everyone, attack! Watch this.
10 seconds remaining.
I've got you in my sights.
This might steep. That's how we do it.
Almost.
Play of the game.
That was tough. Zoraya's shield boost on other characters is just very, very potent. It's strange that she's not there. But Symmetra was a persistent threat, so she gets my upvote. All of my team are quitting. If you're unaware, the gold and silver there is relative to your own team, so I got the most eliminations and second most final blows within my own team.